Hey everyone, this is Frank Oaza with Rotary Solutions, and I'd like to show you the Rotary SmartLift Wide with AV arm. The SmartLift Wide has a plunger set far enough apart to allow easy access to the underside of a vehicle, which makes removing an EV battery very quick and very easy. Our 3-stage nesting arms allow you more pickup points than any other lift of this type in the industry. And the adapters will go all the way down to under 4 inches to allow easy access to the underside of an exotic or EV vehicle. Now, when coupled with our 3,500-pound lift table, you can easily remove an EV battery and wheel it anywhere around the shop. And when paired with our repair table, you can easily service an EV battery in the bay and pull the lift table away to continue making money for you in another bay. For more information about this equipment or anything Rotary sells, visit us online.